What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Today we're going to be talking about NIO's new supercar, the EF9. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Lastly, if you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, make sure you click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive one free stock valued anywhere from $2.50 to $250. And when you make that initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another free stock, and this free stock will be valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency on the platform with zero commissions. Okay, so like I said, today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 1:25 p.m. Central Time here in Texas, and the stock is currently trading at $38.39. It is up 2.53% for the day as of right now. So what happened? NIO registered a trademark in China for a pure electric multi-purpose vehicle today, which will be called the EF9. Reportedly, this vehicle will compete with the Lexus LM and the Toyota Alphard. So let's take a look at those vehicles. Okay, so just looking at these cars, they are not the most attractive in my opinion. I can't name a NIO car that doesn't really look good, and of course this is my opinion, so it's subjective, but I personally don't think that CEO William Li would let a car that looks like the Lexus LM or the Toyota Alphard roll off NIO's production line, and that's again just my opinion. So let's get into the target market for these vehicles and who they serve, and then I'll get into my speculation because I do have a little bit of speculation to do here in this video, so make sure you stick around till the end. Okay, so right off the bat, the Toyota Alphard is a 5-door 7-seater SUV. Obviously Lexus is a premium version of Toyota, so you know, we don't have to talk about both cars. But for 2020, the Toyota Alphard ranked 4 out of 25 for the world's best selling multi-purpose vehicles with 125 units sold. Okay, so one of the members in the Discord pointed out that the filing actually says that the EF9 will be a sports car. Like I said, reportedly a lot of these blogs and articles and such are saying that it's going to compete with the Lexus LM or the Toyota Alphard. So a lot of people are saying that means that NIO could release a minivan looking type of vehicle. But on the filing right here, it says sports car, which is interesting. Just something to think about as we go through the video, and I'll probably circle around back to this. But we have to ask ourselves, what is the purpose of vehicles in this segment? And the answer is utility. Now, what do I mean when I say utility? So these type of vehicles, they usually, people who own them usually have chauffeurs, and they are driven around in these types of things. And then on the second end of that, when I say utility, that means that they can carry a lot of people. These are 7-seater vehicles, as I just explained earlier in the video. I'm not sure if anyone remembers the NIO Eve concept, but let's explore that as a possibility. To me, this car looks like the future of mobility. Let's say that you're in the market for, you know, a Lexus LM or a Toyota Alphard. One thing that you're probably also going to be in the market for is a chauffeur. Now, in relation to NIO, we all know that NIO will be offering autonomous driving as a service. So, what's the point of a chauffeur? You want somebody to drive you around. You don't want to do the driving yourself. Well, with autonomous vehicles, you are not going to have to do the driving yourself, and it's actually going to be a lot cheaper than having a chauffeur on payroll. Essentially, all you have to do whenever you go somewhere, you don't have to wait for anyone. All you have to do is put the car in autopilot. Now, with a vehicle like this, you're probably going to be rolling around with a lot of your friends. So a lot of your friends are going to be in the car, but the car is still going to be on autopilot. The next thing I want to address here is that these two vehicles that I showed you, you know, they kind of have like a glorified minivan type of silhouette. This car is obviously a lot smaller, and obviously what I'm showing you right now is just a concept, but this still looks like it comfortably fits at least 6 people, and like I said, it's just a concept, so anything can change. NIO does a lot of R&D. They know what the market wants, and that's what they provide. So if they felt the need to put out a vehicle like this and make changes to it, they would make changes to it based on what they feel like the market needs or wants. So I'm going to end the video here, but you guys let me know down below, you know, which car would you rather purchase if you had the choice between all 3 of these? let me know down below in the comments. That's going to be it for this one. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Click the link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. And as always, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video.